We're going to across the river. It's a part of Bangkok that we've never explored. I've always stayed on the east side of the river. Now we're off to the west side. It'll be really cute little alleyways, street art, old buildings, the church, and this 200-year-old bakery, the oldest bakery in Bangkok, the very first one that was established by the Portuguese when they settled here. They still use the 200-year-old recipe to make a very special cake. The Thai family that work there have been working in this bakery for 5 generations now. And then we're gonna come back to this side of the river in the evening just before the sun sets. And we're going to go visit a light show and just enjoy the night. Starting our adventure from here on and out. We are embarking on things that we've never done before. So next stop is to find out where the ferry will be taking us. So we are paying 6 baht for the ferry across the river, and it's gonna stop right at the temple here, I believe. Adventure has truly begun, guys. Okay, hold on. So I feel like hold on. It's a little bit rickety here. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh my god. I'm sorry, but I can never get tired of visiting these beautiful temples. Wow. I already feel so much more relaxed just standing here. There's something about standing in the grounds before a big temple like this that really, like, you can feel the like energy, the zen, the zen energy. Guys, we have just about an hour actually before the bakery closes. God, that took us a while to get here. So in fact, I highly recommend that we head to the bakery first, and then we visit the temple after. The bakery is just next door, so I feel like we have to go. I was trying to steer at 24,000. Did you guys see any of the cafe? Ugh. Let me just double check what my Instagram story looks like, or if it's just as scuffed. Ah, it's okay. Check my Instagram story. All right, let's open our... So they're made fresh every day. Oh God, they're really crumbly. And they have fruit bits on top. It's really, really like soft and fluffy and yellow inside. So this is really crunchy on the outside, really airy. Yeah, it's really dry. But I can definitely tell it's not made with butter. There's no butter. It's just egg, duck egg, sugar and flour. It's 4:40, so I feel like we might visit the temple at a perfect time when the monks gather for their evening reflection and prayer. I can't wait to go in. Apparently there's a huge giant golden Buddha statue. God, look at these lights. I love this. So I can see old, really old, like stone, and really new. It's quite a nice contrast. All right, let's go on inside. Very big entryway. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. That is giant. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I don't know if you can actually tell on the camera how amazingly huge this is. It's vast. Okay, let's put my shoes back on. They finished their prayers for the day. I think I have enough for all of us. So now let's hope for a ferry to take us back to the other side of the river.